Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you've been feeling totally overwhelmed by this sheer massive volume of new AI applications dropping literally every single week, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're demystifying a huge landscape of over 100 AI tools. But our goal here isn't just to gawk at shiny new tech. It's to help you build a highly functional professional tool belt so you can genuinely reclaim your time, cut out those soul-crushing repetitive tasks, and get back to actual strategic thinking.
And before you write this off as just another passing tech trend you can afford to ignore, get this, 2.8x. That is the average return on investment multiplier for businesses that are implementing AI tools right now. Think about that. That means for every dollar, or every single hour, invested into integrating these systems, the return is nearly tripled. The data is just incredibly clear here. Adopting these tools is not just some neat party trick. It's a fundamental shift in how we work, and the time to pay attention is right now.
Okay, let's dive right into this. To organize the absolute chaos of 22 different categories of tools, we've broken this explainer down into 5 highly digestible macro themes. First, finding your AI advantage. Second, supercharging content and creativity. Third, automating daily workflows. Fourth, specialized tech and audio. And finally, number 5, staying ahead of the curve. So kicking things off with Section 1, Finding Your AI Advantage. The core thesis of the research we're unpacking today is that no single AI reigns supreme. There's literally no magic bullet. To find your true advantage, let's impartially break down the unique strengths of the big 5 foundational models leading the market right now. You've got ChatGPT, which remains the ultimate all-rounder, super solid for a massive spectrum of tasks. Then there's Gemini, built for incredibly seamless integration if you're already living inside the Google workspace. But here's where it gets interesting. Claude is designed specifically with safety in mind and has this huge context window, making it the absolute go-to for chewing through massive, complex documents, like legal policies. Grok, on the other hand, is much more socially tuned, it tracks breaking, real-time news, and honestly has a bit of wit to it. And finally, DeepSeek offers this open, technically sharp, and super affordable option for budget-conscious teams. Matching your specific task to these distinct strengths, that is step 1.
Moving right along to Section 2, Supercharging content and creativity.
This section directly attacks those incredibly common bottlenecks we all face every week. Staring at a blank page fighting writer's block, or losing hours to tedious layout formatting. And this brilliantly illustrates how to bypass all of that. It's a ridiculously simple workflow for generating viral hand-drawn looking infographics in literally seconds using Gemini. It's just 4 steps. First, you access Gemini's image generation. Second, you specifically select the thinking model to really guide that creative process. Third, upload a base image and write out a really detailed prompt. Be sure to mention things like marker colors, textures, and the layout you want. And fourth, generate and refine. What used to take a graphic designer a whole afternoon is now a highly engaging, personalized visual asset that you can spin up in moments. Meaning, hey, you might actually get to log off at 5 p.m. for once. And that crazy speed? It translates directly over to visual design and web building too. The days of fighting with clunky text boxes and raw website code are rapidly coming to an end. For presentations, tools like Prezi are offering AI-enhanced non-linear storytelling, while Popeye Pro lets you just type a simple text prompt and boom, it generates an entire visually stunning slide deck in minutes. On the web development side, Dora is letting people build completely immersive, no-code 3D websites. And Durable, this one's wild. It literally generates a fully functional business website, complete with the copy and the contact forms, in about 30 seconds. You're taking hours of heavy digital lifting and shrinking it down into literal minutes. But hey, it's not just about doing things fast. It's about actually having a creative partner. Over in the writing and UI/UX space, that's user interface and user experience, platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai are doing way more than just spitting out generic text. They can actually be trained on your enterprise's specific brand voice to keep everything consistent at scale. For design, Galileo AI can generate entire user interfaces just from your text descriptions, and Luga basically acts as your own AI-powered brand manager, instantly spinning up comprehensive identity and logo packages based entirely on deep color psychology and solid design principles.
All right, on to Section 3, automating your daily workflows.
Now, creativity is fantastic and all, but smooth operations are what actually keep the lights on. This layer of your tool belt is all about wiping out human error and heavily optimizing the daily grind, so your mental bandwidth is totally freed up for the bigger picture. Think about how much of your week gets lost in meetings. Well, we now have this entire suite of tools built for meeting mastery. Otter.ai does real-time transcription with speaker identification, so you can completely stop taking notes. Crisp uses AI to aggressively cancel out background noise, meaning crystal clear calls even if you're working from a loud coffee shop. And platforms like TLDV record your meetings and automatically slice them up into shareable highlight reels. Every single conversation gets captured, organized, and is completely searchable. Bottom line, nothing important ever gets lost in translation again. Now, what's really interesting about this next part is the hard data backing up all this workflow automation, specifically when we look at marketing intelligence. When businesses deploy tools that actually analyze consumer behavior to optimize their campaigns, they're not just guessing anymore. The source data points to a 45% reduction in the time spent on manual management, a massive 73% average improvement in campaign effectiveness, and, bringing it all back to what we talked about at the top of the explainer, that incredible 2.8x return on investment. It's completely transforming daily operations from a guessing game into a measurable, highly optimized science. And this operational optimization, it extends straight into software development too. Code generation tools are totally revolutionizing the space. You've got Codium, which handles over 70 languages, Continue for baking AI directly into your open-source coding environments, and CodeWP, which is custom-built for WordPress development. Now, it's absolutely crucial to understand that these tools are not here to replace developers. Not at all. Instead, they're acting as these incredibly intelligent assistants that dramatically speed up feature development, cut down on tedious debugging time, and just massively amplify a developer's overall output.
Which brings us to Section 4, Specialized Tech and Audio.
So we're stepping out of basic text and image generation now and getting into some highly specialized capabilities that are really pushing the boundaries of what this tech can actually do. The impact metrics for audio and voice innovation are honestly staggering. By leveraging tools like Udio to generate custom music or 11 Labs for incredibly realistic multilingual voice synthesis, creators are seeing an 89% average jump in audio quality compared to standard quick recording setups. They're slashing their production time by 67%, but here's the real kicker. Businesses using AI voice synthesis are seeing up to a 95% cost savings simply by bypassing those super expensive professional studio rentals and voiceover talent fees. It's huge.
Within this specialized space, it's also wild to see two completely different approaches to digital content emerging. On one side, you have the defensive AI detection tools. Think GPT-0 and CopyLeaks. These are absolutely critical for academic institutions and publishers who have to verify the authenticity and human authorship of what they're reading. But contrast that with the proactive Web3 tools, like Alva and Ilethea AI. These platforms are actually merging AI with blockchain technology to create highly intelligent, fully verifiable digital assets. We're talking digital art and media with guaranteed secure ownership baked right in. It's a really fascinating dynamic, seeing how AI is simultaneously challenging and securing our digital authenticity.
Finally, let's look at Section 5, Staying Ahead of the Curve.
Look, the AI landscape is evolving at lightning speed, so staying agile and future-proofing your workflows is the only way to guarantee long-term success. Just to show you how fast things are moving, the source material highlights 5 brand-new, trending tools making serious waves right now. MindStudio is totally pushing the envelope in visual content creation. Tines is out there orchestrating these crazy complex workspace automations. Figure is utilizing context-aware AI to completely reimagine user experience design. Hugo is dramatically accelerating customer service ticket resolution times. And Origami is leveraging advanced AI for incredibly precise, hyper-targeted lead generation. The big takeaway here? Constant adaptation and continuous testing are absolutely required if you want to keep your competitive edge.
So the crucial point here, and this really ties the whole explainer together, is summed up perfectly in this quote from the text. The edge belongs to those who precisely match the right AI to the right job, maximizing efficiency and impact. The professionals who are going to truly thrive in the next few years aren't the ones who just blindly let AI do the work for them. They're the ones treating AI as a strategic partner, perfectly blending human creativity with intelligent, specialized matchmaking.
Because of that, the source material actually leaves us with a very specific piece of homework. Please, don't let this be just another explainer you watch, bookmark, and completely forget about by tomorrow. Take action today. Pick 2 or 3 tools from the different categories we just went through, start small, test them out this week in your own environment, and just gradually begin integrating them into your daily workflow. Because honestly, knowledge only becomes a real superpower when you actually apply it.
You've got the roadmap now to build a seriously powerful professional tool belt that can save you countless hours and massively amplify what you can achieve. The tools are right there waiting for you. So the only question left is, what will you create?